What's up, everyone? I just got this train. This is a r160 munipals Diamond F train. 6th Avenue local culver express. See, there's a diamond on it. See there? Yeah. So remember, the r160 don't run on the R line for much more longer. They're now servicing r160 on the Q. They're now running on r160 R trains now. When the R train will come back, it will run on r46s again. Yeah, the r160 will have to run on the F line now. Well, the r46 might run back on the F line again very soon. Yeah, this is you can see the rear of the back of the train. It looks perfect. Yeah. This is very nice. I like that train all the time. This is a very nice nice express train I have. This looks perfect. Yeah, that looks very nice. They're now servicing for r668As on the G line. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon now.